Part 4 – Results. For the fourth part of the tutorial, I will show some of the several analyses, reports and charts that the EMA Work Designer creates automatically. They can be found in the Results tab. The first page is the simulation results, with basic information on the left, an overview of the tasks with further details in the middle, and on the right some charts for the body posture, added value and loads of forces. Please note that for the results to be correct, the process description parameters as well as basic information like the cycle time or the weights of handled objects must be set. On the left hand side there are the tabs to switch between the categories of results. For example, here we have the objects report or the human-robot collaboration report if it is included in your license. An important result is the time analysis according to MTM UAS. On the right hand side we can see the basic time calculated from the codes and time measurement units shown above. Ergonomic results are given for three methods: EAWS, NIOSH and the Workplace Requirement Profile. The EAWS, the European Assessment Worksheet, starts on an overview page showing the overall score as well as point boosters. One worker can be selected at a time, and the individual posture scores, load cases, and many more information can be shown. They are all combined into the page EAWS details. Here you can see warnings on first sight, for example for handling high loads, and by cross-selection you can find out exactly where this occurs in the process. As all other results, the EAWS details can be exported via the button Export Results of the selected mannequin, where you can select the results you want to export. Furthermore, there is the spaghetti chart to show the walk paths. They can be added directly into the 3D view by enabling the arrow and flow visualization. Lastly, the cycle time chart and the task dependencies show the tasks and the synchronization. With all results automatically updating after every simulation, optimizing a scenario or comparing different options can be done simply and quickly. This was the EMA Work Designer tutorial, in which we designed a workstation, added different tasks to change tires on a vehicle, showed the efficient way of copying these tasks, and looked into the automatically calculated results, including the MTM UAS and EAWS analyses. Thank you for watching. For more information, please check out our website at imk-ema.com.